Okay, y'all, I want to show y'all this less than 10-minute makeup look using Saint products that I did the other morning. So first, I'm applying my bronzer tan lines to the outer parts of my face, my neck, to give that warm glow underneath. Next, I'm applying my brightening highlight to these areas just to make them stand out a little bit more, and then followed by my overall foundation. This is considered my main highlight, just covering any areas of redness or melasma. And then this is the Lip and Cheek Tropicana. I'm going to apply that as my blush today. Just blend that out a little bit. Next is my brows, I'm going into the eyeshadow color Trust just to fill that in, and I'm using the line brush for that. And then using the eyeshadow brush, let's see, this is the color Cafe. Yep. So just washing that all over my lid and then my lower lid as well. A very pretty neutral color. And then going into the shimmer Soulmate, I'm applying with my eyeshadow brush first, and then I wanted a heavier look, so just press some in with my finger. Use that same eyeshadow as a little bit of an illuminator, followed by my favorite mascara, favorite lip gloss, and that is it.